If you want to move a 3D cursor to a selected object or selection in Blender, this is one of the fastest and most useful shortcuts to know. It's a simple trick, but it's incredibly helpful when you want precise placement, better pivot control, or when you're setting up objects for modeling, snapping, or transforming. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Blender tutorials. First, select the object you want to use in object mode, or select the vertices, edges, or faces you want to target in edit mode. This works in both modes, so you can use it whether you're placing the cursor on a whole object or on part of a mesh. Once your selection is made, press Shift+S on your keyboard. This opens the Snap menu, which gives you several cursor and selection options. From the menu, click Cursor to Selected. As soon as you choose it, Blender moves the 3D cursor directly to the center of your selected object or selection. That's it. Your cursor is now aligned exactly where you need it. If you prefer using the mouse, there's another quick way to do it. You can right-click, go to Snap, and then choose Cursor to Selected from the submenu. It does the same thing, just with a different access method. This is especially useful if you're working with precise modeling setups, placing origins, aligning objects, or controlling where new objects appear when you add them. It's also a great way to speed up your workflow when you need to repeatedly move the cursor to different parts of your scene. So remember, the shortcut is Shift+S, then Cursor to Selected. And if you need the menu path, it's right-click, Snap, Cursor to Selected. Simple, fast, and very handy in both object mode and edit mode. If this helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Blender tips, and I'll see you in the next one.